Hey guys, so today's just going to be a quick little tutorial on how to enroll in organizations through Blackboard. So first thing you want to do is log into Blackboard through the portal. So just click on this link right here. And now what you want to do is you want to add a new module. So this module will help you enroll in organizations in literally the easiest way possible. So to add a module, you want to click on add module right here on the left side. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. And then click this button that says show all. And now you want to scroll all the way until you find organization search. Should be an O. And here it is. So you want to add this module right here. And then if you click the back button. Now if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see the new module that we just added, organization search. So here you can type in any organization name and it'll come up with results. So let's say we type in virtual ASC. And here we're going to have a list of other organizations that match the name that we typed in. So here we have virtual ASC, and if you click this button right here, it brings down the drop down menu. Click enroll. And then click submit. And basically it's just a confirmation that you enrolled in this organization. So now if you go back to my institution. Now if you scroll down again, you'll see that the virtual ASC organization has now populated in our My Organizations module. And here in this organization, we're just going to be creating communities for various subject areas to offer resources to you guys. So please be on the lookout for those. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the Webex Teams space under ASC Technology Coach.